couple of days ago, we went on a fishing trip along this river in Australia. After hours of walking and fishing, we completed the trip and it was so worth it. And hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully we can get lots of barra. Jasper's first barra.
No.
Or first big barra.
Little cook up maybe?
Yeah, catch some fish, cook them up. We'll see you when we're down there and we'll set up camp. It's probably a pretty easy walk, but you know, see you down there. We just got down. Yeah, we're a bit sweaty. The river looks really good. Yeah, Sam's very caught a sooty, but yeah, we'll start fishing. We just need to set up our fishing rod. But yeah, we'll get going. Catch some big sooties and barramundi. But yeah, see ya.
Fish number 5. How do you feel about missing that barrel, Henry?
Very sad.
80 centimeters barrel.
It jumped out of the water.
He dropped it twice.
I dropped it. It jumped out of the water.
We didn't get it on camera.
Chuck it. Let me do it. Like
big jungle perch in here, right? Come on. Follow her. Holy fuck. What the fuck was that? It's a needlefish. It's a needlefish. It's a big top one. Whoa, spastic fella. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. How cool was that? Alright, gold bomber. It's the only way. It's the only way. He's sitting right in this pool. See if he wants to gold bomber. Slow roll. Take it out. Oh, he may be legal. Like this. Check how big it is. Yeah, he's legal. It's
60.
58's legal, so we'll keep it.
Oh,
Oh my god.
so good.
Oh, look at that.
Barramundi. It's delicious.
It's such.
Oh, it's oily.
Yeah, there's some meat there. Just salt the whole lot.
I caught it.
This was swimming 4 hours ago.
Yeah, that's not even.
Not anymore.
3 hours ago.
Rifles, it rifles through your mind.
Okay, if you like this video, you should watch part 2 because it's pretty crazy. Anyway, see ya.
House of life.